Hi, this is Grisha for Figma Plugin. In today's video, I will show how to create a simple chest style layout in your email designs in Figma. Chest style layout is a common pattern in email design. In horizontal sections, each section mirrors the one above it. One has the image on the left and text on the right, and the next flips the layout. Image on the right and text on the left. Here is a couple of fresh email designs with chest style layout. Let's create a simple email design in Figma using Figma Plugin, and then create chest style layout with this design. I'm creating a new project with Figma Plugin. Let's add some ready-made blocks, such as header, some kind of CTA, and let's add a footer. And let's create a cards block with the chest style layout from scratch without ready-made blocks. To do so, let's first create a frame with 600 width. Then let's add a photo. Let's create two columns with let's say 300 width each, and put a photo on the left side, and let's put a text on the right side, on the right column. Okay, and let's add an outer layout to these frames. To do so, select a frame, then go to the right sidebar, click here, use outer layout. Let's do it for both columns. Then let's update some paddings for each. Let's say it will be this kind of value. And set fill container for each content inside. To do so, select an image, go to the right sidebar, click fill container, and do the same for the text. Now we have two cards, and then let's put it to our horizontal frame, which we are going to use as container, and let's add outer layout to this frame too. To do so, click here, and let's set fill container for both options, image and text, and let's set vertical alignment for these two things. So let's choose another image, like this. Okay, now we have this block. Let's copy and paste it here. Later we will update the horizontal padding. Let's try to preview this block, and this is how it works. It seems fine, but we want to add we want on mobile version to be image on the top and text on the bottom. Let's update our design for this. To do so, let's select our parent horizontal container, then go to the properties section and select cards here. If you enable this option, on the mobile version, image will go on the left, on the top, on the mobile version, and text and go to the bottom. Let's duplicate it, refresh preview. Okay, now we have two things, and let's transform it into chest layout. To do so, simply select a second container, then go to the cards settings here and select options reverse children. And with this option, as you can see, on the desktop layout, image and text columns will flip horizontally. But it only works on the desktop. On the mobile version, as you can see, image stays on top and text stays on bottom. So with these settings, you can create a chest layout for your designs in Figma.